Yep. I'm out here messing with stuff. Get ready to remove the Ford Racing Throttle body and put on the VMP Twin 67. It just arrived today and I couldn't wait to get it put on. So that's what we in the garage doing today. Got the Whipple and take already disconnected. Now we're getting ready to remove the throttle body. Pretty simple, straightforward job. You just got 4 screws or 4 bolts or whatnot. 8mm. Need you an extension. I think this is a 1/4. And you know, you just disconnect everything here. Disconnect everything and shoot, get the intake out the way, and that way you just work on the throttle body. Be careful with these clips, these red clips, man. When you're pulling them back to unloosen everything, they will pop out of place and you'll drop them down in your engine bay. So make sure you got your hand back there while you're trying to pull the red tabs back. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Let me go ahead and get this disconnected and I'll pick the video back up. All right. Fairly easy, man. So we got 1 screw out. 3 more to go. The hardest, I mean, I guess the most difficult part is just making sure you don't drop nothing in the engine bay. Everything else simple. Come on. All right, 2 down, 2 more to go. Come on. All right, 1 more to go. Hopefully the throttle body don't just drop, since I don't got an extra set of hands to hold it. But all right, the throttle body coming down now. So throttle body's off. It is for sale. Y'all shoot me a message on Instagram, SVT Running 501. All right, new throttle body getting ready to go on. VMP 67mm. Look at that shine, man. Woo. It's a good looking throttle body. These things have a lot of good reviews. I'm ready to test it out. Ooh. Right, now it's holding pretty much by itself, and now I can kind of torque them down. Ooh. Dang, it make my blower look bad, man. I guess let's compare it to the Ford Racing one real quick before we move any further. It ain't gripping. It ain't. There you go. All right, we got to bolt it up. All that's left now is to bolt the air intake back to it and then just put all the harnesses in place, click them all in place, and then we'll start her up and do a little test drive to see how she performs. So. There we go, slide on there now. This slides in here. Okay. And then just tighten everything down, plug everything up, and we'll be ready to go. Sheesh. All right, everything's clamped down. Now we just need to plug everything up. Push in there, push the red up, plug Put this one back in. Plug this in. This in. And this one. And that's gonna be it. I think everything's plugged in. Yep. Everything. Alright. All that's left now is just to start her up. That looks awful. The butt test, man. That's gonna be the real test. Uh-oh, come on. What you doing? So in the middle of me driving, man, the car just cut off, man. Oh my goodness. What next? It does not like this new throttle body. Let me go put this joker up before it cut off up there again. The drive with this new 67mm throttle body is complete. We have had a little bit of issues. I have already contacted Lon about it, just waiting to hear back from them. But the car pulls hard though whenever the car doesn't decide to stall out. That was the main issue that I was having. That, and whenever I'm putting it in neutral, the RPMs drop very low, like into the 300 to 400 RPM range. And 1 out of 3 times it will stall out. So we got to figure out what's going on with that. I don't know if maybe I haven't completed a full drive cycle with the new setup, but I have driven the car for maybe about 45 minutes on the freeway, just around the city, idling, and just like around here, this little area that I'm at. So, I mean, I would think that it had plenty of time to relearn the new air intake that it's taking in, but I don't know. I'm waiting back to hear back from the professionals. I'm gonna wait to hear back from them and go from there. And to the next one, y'all guys take it easy, and I will be uploading again to give you all an update of how the car is doing. Till then, peace.